Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The only reliable way to make an iPhone keyboard truly transparent is to jailbreak the device. Jailbreaking unlocks system modifications not allowed by Apple. You will install a transparent keyboard tweak from a package manager after jailbreaking. This process can void your warranty and increase security risk for your personal data. It can also cause instability if tweaks conflict with system software. Before you proceed, understand the legal and support consequences for your region and carrier. Backup and careful preparation are essential to reduce risk. Back up your device to iCloud and to a computer using Finder or iTunes first. Verify your iPhone model and iOS version are supported by the jailbreak tool you will use. Download the correct jailbreak tool for your iOS. For example, a tool supporting iOS 14 to 15 where applicable. Disable passcode and Face ID temporarily to avoid interruption during the jailbreak. Connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC and enable airplane mode before starting the process. Keep 500 MB OpenCydia or Cilio and add the repository that hosts the transparent keyboard tweak. Search for transparent keyboard or a similar package and install it with required dependencies. After installation, open the tweak settings and set transparency to 90% or adjust to a preferred level. Tap Respring to apply changes. Respring typically completes in 2 to 3 minutes. If you encounter crashes or lag, uninstall the tweak and reboot to safe mode. If issues persist, restore the device from the backup you created before jailbreaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.